Hello everyone, it's me, Louie Carpuz. Today we're gonna go to JNT to deliver this. Roxy women's shirts. So let's go and deliver for our ukay business. Roxy women's denim shorts. Let's go. Sa Gumamela. It's Sunday today. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. I'm here in Camp Allen, so it's just a walk. Going to the town, going to JNT. Let's go. It's a beautiful sunny day. Join me, we're gonna check out some interesting things after we ship this Roxy women's sexy shorts. This is Camp Allen waiting shed. Look at that tree. Look at that. Still walking. We are already here.
Sige pa, parang sa daw waiting.
Sige po, i-print ko na yun.